Mastering Workshop Vocabulary. Maintain the Lathe. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very specific phrase that's not only interesting but also quite useful for those of you interested in mechanical engineering, woodworking, or metalworking. We're talking about maintain the lathe. Understanding this phrase not only helps you grasp a specific maintenance activity but also expands your technical English vocabulary. So, let's get started. Maintain the lathe involves two key concepts: maintenance and the lathe. First, let's break down what each term means. Maintenance refers to the routine actions taken to keep equipment in working order or to restore it to proper condition. Maintenance tasks can include cleaning, inspecting, adjusting, and replacing parts to ensure that machinery operates smoothly and efficiently. The lathe is a machine tool used primarily for shaping metal or wood. The workpiece is rotated about an axis to perform various operations such as cutting, sanding, knurling, drilling, or deformation with tools that are applied to the workpiece to create an object with symmetry about that axis. Maintaining a lathe is crucial for several reasons. 1. Safety. Regular maintenance ensures that the machine operates safely, reducing the risk of accidents. 2. Efficiency. A well-maintained lathe runs more efficiently, which can save time and energy. 3. Longevity. Proper maintenance extends the lifespan of the lathe, making it a better long-term investment. 4. Quality. Regular maintenance helps in producing high-quality workpieces by ensuring the machine's precision is maintained. Here are some basic maintenance tasks that are typically involved in maintaining the lathe. Cleaning. Removing chips, dust, and any other debris from the machine to prevent buildup and ensure smooth operation. Lubrication. Applying lubricant to moving parts to reduce friction and wear. Inspection. Checking for wear and tear on components such as belts, gears, and bearings and replacing them as necessary. Adjustment. Making sure that all parts of the lathe are properly aligned and adjusted for optimal performance. Maintaining a lathe is an essential part of working with such a machine, ensuring safety, efficiency, longevity, and quality in machining projects. We hope this video has shed some light on what it means to maintain the lathe, and why it's such an important practice in workshops around the world. Whether you're a budding engineer, a woodworking enthusiast, or just curious about technical English, we believe that understanding these concepts can be incredibly beneficial. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging content on English language learning. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.